Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I will talk how to check in Asky Airlines online check-in system. How to check Asky Airlines. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjahan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So everyone should subscribe. Thank you. So at first Google Chrome browser open, then write Asky Airlines web checking. Asky Airlines web checking, then this page open, then first link flyasky.com check-in flyasky. So this is the first Asky Airlines website link. So click here, first link. Then this is the Asky Airlines website. So at first select your want to retype your record. So three type of checking system: reservation code, ticket number or flight number. So reservation code means PNR number, ticket code means 13 digits number, flight code means flight number. Flight number from departure, first name, last name, then check-in. Reservation code, PNR number typing here, then last name typing here, then check-in. Ticket number means 13 digit number typing here, then last name, then check-in. Same process. So reservation number, PNR number typing here, last name typing here, then check-in. Then fill up your information. Passport number typing, passport country typing, first name, last name typing here. So then select your seat, free seat, random seat or premium seat. Then finally your boarding pass showing here. Download your boarding pass and print your boarding pass or send your boarding pass. So thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.